Hello, Waterfront Academy families. Welcome back to our channel, where learning comes to life through hands-on discovery. Today, we're going to create a beautiful rainbow that walks. Yes, you heard that right. This is called the Rainbow Walking Water Experiment, and it teaches us about a scientific concept called capillary action. Here's what you'll need: clear cups, water food coloring, red, yellow, and blue paper towels. Start by lining up your cups in a row. Fill every other cup with water, about halfway. Now, add a few drops of food coloring. Red in the first cup, yellow in the next, blue in the third. Fold your paper towels into strips and place them between the cups, like little bridges. And now, we wait. Watch as the water begins to walk up the paper towel and into the empty cups. Look what happened. The colors mixed to create new ones. Red and yellow made orange. Yellow and blue made green. Blue and red made purple. This happens because of something called capillary action. The water moves through the tiny spaces in the paper towel, almost like climbing, carrying the color with it. In Montessori education, we love experiments like this because children can see, touch, and discover how the world works. Try this at home and let us know what colors you create. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow along for more hands-on learning with Waterfront Academy. See you next time, where curiosity leads the way.